Let's solve one more question. Now in this question he is asking, find the empirical and the molecular formula. Carbon 57.82%, hydrogen is 3.6% and rest is oxygen. It means that we have to find out the percentage of oxygen by subtracting these two percentages of carbon and hydrogen from 100, right? That we will do. Its vapor density is 83. Now vapor density is the half of the molecular mass, right? Let's solve the question. Now the solution, again we have to construct the table and follow those steps I told you earlier. The first step is we have to write the elements. So elements are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Then we have to assume that the weight of the compound is 100 gram. Therefore, the weight of the carbon is 57.82 grams, right? So carbon is 57.82 grams, hydrogen is 3.6 grams and oxygen is 38.58 grams. Now how I found this weight of oxygen? By subtracting these two values from 100. Now atomic mass. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. And atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Again we have to find out the number of moles. So number of moles is equal to given weight upon molar mass. Given weight is 57.82. So it is divide by 12, the molar mass. Hydrogen it's 3.6 divided by 1. And in the case of oxygen, it is 38.58 by 16. Now if I solve this, I will get 4.8. In case of hydrogen, I will get 3.6, and in the case of oxygen, I will get 2.4. So we have to find out the simple ratio of the moles. So which is the least value? Least value is 2.4. So we have to divide all these values by 2.4. So dividing all these value by 2.4, we will get 4.8 divided by 2.4, 3.6 divided by 2.4 and 2.4 divided by 2.4. So on dividing this, we will get 2, 1.5 and 1. Now simplest whole number ratio. Since 1.5 is not a whole number, we have to multiply it by 2. So if we multiply these number by 2, we will get 4, 3 and 2. Therefore, the empirical formula will be C4, H3 and O2. So we will write the empirical formula is C4 S3 and O2. Right. Now, let us find empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass, and that will be equal to the weight of carbon is 12, it is multiplied by 4 plus 3 into 1 for hydrogen plus 16 into 2. So, by this we will get this is equal to 83. So, 83 is our empirical formula mass, right. Now, the next step, and the next step is vapor density is given to us.